Hey everyone, my name's Jeff. On my last project, a few of my power tools decided to crap out on me. Instead of replacing them, I decided to upgrade. So this week, we're going to make this DeWalt battery charging station. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Now let's get to the project.
This is how it's gonna be. This is what you think of me. It's going down like I told you. This is how it's gonna be. I'll be the last man standing here. I'm not going anywhere. It's going down like I told you. I'll be the last man standing here. What you gonna do? I'm gonna rock you. What you gonna do? I'm gonna rock you. What you gonna do? I'm gonna rock you. I'll have you begging for mercy, begging for mercy. Oh, I'm dangerous. So dangerous. I'm dangerous. So dangerous. I'm the baddest mother up in here, and I'm about to make it clear. It's going down like I told you. I'm the baddest mother up in here. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'll have you begging for mercy, begging for mercy. Oh, I'm dangerous. So dangerous. I'm dangerous. Get ready, 'cause here I come. I'm about to come and get me some. Hot as a smoking gun. So get ready, 'cause here I come. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'll have you begging for mercy, begging for mercy. Oh, I'm dangerous. So dangerous. I'm dangerous. So dangerous.
Thanks for tuning in. This was a lot of fun to make and I really love how it turned out. This is part of a whole overhaul I'm doing on this tool chest. I'm going through every drawer, labeling them, and I'm trying to make it the ultimate tool chest. When it's all said and done, I plan on giving a little tour of it in the next Jones Works Brew Club. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you considered sharing and subscribing. It really helps me out. And that's it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next video.